Before cleaning your Tosot Portable AC, always unplug the unit for safety. This prevents electrical hazards during maintenance. Clean the filter every 2 weeks during heavy use. Remove the filter and vacuum it or rinse with warm water. For stubborn dirt, use mild soap, but ensure it's completely dry before reinstalling. Clean the evaporator and condenser coils to maintain efficient cooling. Use a soft brush or vacuum to remove surface dust, then apply coil cleaner or mild soap and water. Let it sit briefly, then gently wipe clean. Regularly empty and clean the water tank to prevent mold growth. Use a solution of water and white vinegar to disinfect the tank thoroughly. Finally, check the exhaust hose for blockages and dust buildup. Vacuum or wipe it down to ensure proper ventilation. Wipe down the exterior with a soft, damp cloth to complete the cleaning process. Preventative maintenance is the key to extending your Tosot AC's lifespan and maintaining peak performance. Following a regular schedule prevents costly repairs and ensures efficient cooling. Many Tosot models feature a filter cleaning indicator that automatically tracks usage hours. This helpful feature illuminates after 250 hours of operation, reminding you when filter maintenance is due. If you notice mold or persistent odors, address them immediately with a proper cleaning solution. Mix soap and water with white vinegar to create an effective disinfectant that eliminates both mold and odors. Regular drain maintenance prevents water backup and potential damage. If your unit indicates it needs draining, but no water comes out, the drain spout may be clogged and require cleaning with a pipe cleaner. Before storing your unit, proper preparation is essential. Drain the water tank completely, then run the unit in fan mode for 30 to 60 minutes to eliminate all excess moisture and prevent mold growth during storage. Store your Tosot AC in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use a protective cover to shield it from dust accumulation. Proper storage location and protection ensure your unit remains in excellent condition and ready for the next cooling season.